Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. BK Garg, I'm plastic and cosmetic surgeon at Iconic Clinic, Gurugram. In this video, I'm going to tell you what exactly is botulinum toxin, or popularly known as Botox injection. Botox or botulinum toxin, which is technical name, is a kind of toxin which is, when injected in small amounts into facial muscles or any other muscle in your human body, leads to its partial or complete paralysis. We all know that all superficial wrinkles on our face, in particular, they are outcome of action of our muscles over a long period of time. Slowly these wrinkles start giving an appearance of folds, or sometimes give you a strange appearance when you are particularly speaking passionately or even otherwise at rest. Sometimes you see small folds or wrinkles which are dynamic in nature, which move when you speak, or they become very prominent. So to improve these kind of wrinkles, particularly on your forehead, around your eyes, known as crow's feet, around your lips, or even we can change or modify your facial shape by making use of botulinum toxin, popularly known as Botox. So this Botox injection comes in this kind of vial. This is 50 units vial, and it's also available in 100 unit size also. Depending upon the requirement, we use particular kind of vial. Most of the times, if you're doing any facial procedure, you end up using at least 20 to 40 units of Botox. So I'm going to open it for you. This is how it is packed. It comes with its medical information, and there is this kind of vial, single small glass bottle where it is packed. It has its date of expiry and date of manufacture, along with its serial number or lot number to monitor any quality related issues. So this is botulinum toxin type A, and one of the popular brands is Botox. Is one of the most popular and kind of the company who introduced it first time in the world. So this comes in this is not ready to inject injection. We have to dissolve it into saline or distilled water. We inject distilled water into this bottle and then dilute it. So generally 50 units are diluted into 1 ml or 2 ml depending upon how you plan to inject. And after dilution of this, we can inject in various parts of the face. This is very safe procedure and doesn't have any downtime usually, and you can just walk in and walk out of this procedure. It's not very expensive also. It's important to understand this procedure is not very expensive at all. And if you're looking to get rid of forehead wrinkles around your eyes, or want to use it anywhere else on your face, then please get in touch with us. Botox can provide you a good and instant relief which can last up to 1 year. If you have any more queries regarding Botox or botulinum injection or anti-wrinkle injection, please get in touch with us. We'll be very happy to help you.